Next, we'll have a look at physical products on the EzyCourse platform. Physical products tend to be things that you post out to your customer. It could be mugs, it could be hats, it could be t-shirts, it could be printed resources, those sorts of things. Now, it's really easy to add physical products onto your EzyCourse site. I'll have a look at this one here, just to edit it so that you can see the information that you need. Just simply give it a title, a description, choose a category, set your pricing, and upload the images as well. Now, you can also add in some specifications and features for your product as well. Now, let's have a look at how that looks for the users using your EzyCourse site. So back on our All Products page, we'll have a look at the physical products section here. Here's the headset that we were looking at before. If I click onto it, I can get some more information, see the key features and the description and information that we put in earlier. I can then click the Buy Now button and go through to purchase this product. And then as an administrator, you'll receive a notification telling you that you've got that sale. And that will, of course, alert you to post the item out. So physical products are sellable on the EzyCourse platform.